Hi guys, it's me, Teacher Gon. Today, mag-solve tayo ng 2 over 5 of 60. This one is a common problem for civil service exam. So, ang choices natin, we have 20, 24, 38, and 40. Ang tanong, paano ba natin i-solve yung ganitong klaseng problem? First natin gagawin is to copy 2 over 5. And then always remember na yung ibig sabihin ng of ay multiplication. Meaning, this is 2 over 5 times 60. So, how we're going to simplify this one, pwede naman natin gawin is i-multiply na agad yung 2 and 60. So, that would be 120. Tapos, copy natin yung 5 sa ilalim. So, what we have now is 120 divided by 5. And what is 120 divided by 5? The correct answer is 24. And as you can see, the correct answer is letter B. By the way guys, meron din pala tayong Civil Service Exam Final Coaching from February 15 to March 7. Para makasali dito, mag-comment ka lang ng how to join and automatic, i-message ka na lang ng ating admin. So that's it guys. Bye-bye!